Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good. Okay, for this pineapple wreath, what you're going to need is a splatter screen from Dollar Tree. And you'll want to remove the screw out of the back of it and remove the knob. You'll want to pick up 2 bunches of greenery from Dollar Tree. I picked up a fern, and then this is a spider plant. And most everything came from Dollar Tree for this video. This is the burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. Now my deco mesh didn't come from Dollar Tree, but I have the 12-inch and the 6-inch. And I am going to be making the 12-inch, I'm going to cut it in half and make it into the 6-inch deco mesh. So if you don't have the 6-inch, go with the 12 and cut it in half. And you're going to need some yellow pipe cleaners and also some brown pipe cleaners for this pineapple wreath. And also you could spray paint the splatter screen yellow if you wanted to. You're going to take and thread your yellow pipe cleaners around the center, about 1 inch or so apart for the first ring. You're going to use the brown for the second ring, and you'll do 4. And you're just going to continue alternating colors. And if you're having trouble pulling the pipe cleaners through, you can use the tweezers to help you. And I found that the pipe cleaners from Hobby Lobby seem to pull through easier than the ones I purchased at Michael's. So you're just going to want to start in the center and just work your way out. And you'll want to cut your pipe cleaners in half. So you've got 3 in the center, 4 on the outer circle, or maybe I should say the second ring. Okay, and that's how it looks with all the pipe cleaners. Okay, so for the third ring, you're gonna have 7. And for the outer ring, the final ring, you are going to have 11, but I added at the end 2 more, making a total of 13 for the outer ring, 13 pipe cleaners. Okay, and here I am taking my 6-inch yellow deco mesh and cutting it into 12-inch strips. And if you have any questions, just let me know. And we will be using the ruffle method for this wreath. I just made a mermaid wreath and used the ruffle method last week, and it turned out really pretty, so I hope you'll check out that video too. What you're going to do is just walk your fingers up the 12-inch strip. Just kind of walk your fingers up and let it kind of scrunch and crinkle between your fingers, and it makes a little ruffle. You're going to go to your center circle, the center pipe cleaner. You're going to press it down to the screen, splatter screen, and give the pipe cleaners a few twists to secure the deco mesh in place. Very simple. Just repeat the process. Just let your fingers walk up the deco mesh and let it kind of ruffle up or scrunch up in your fingers. Keep it pinched tightly in the center, and then go to your second pipe cleaner in the inner circle and put it in. And you're just going to work your way out from the inner circle all the way to the outer circle, filling in your pipe cleaners. And like I said, you can spray paint this, but I didn't think of it in time, but it would look better probably spray painted yellow. And you'll also need some yellow felt for the back. I forgot to mention that. Okay, and this is the 12-inch deco mesh, and I just cut it in half I cut it right down the center in half, made them 6 inches, and then laid it out and cut 12-inch strips. Same steps. I just did the ruffle method, rolled it up in my fingertips, placing it in the pipe cleaners, and going to give it a few twists to secure it to the splatter screen. This is very simple and inexpensive, and it turns out really cute. Makes a cute pineapple wreath. Okay, and here it is, complete. All pipe cleaners have been used, and like I said, I added 2 more to the outer ring, so that made a total of 13 on the outer circle. Okay, and what you'll want to do is just wire your greenery together, and I am just using floral stem wire, but you might want to use a little bit more heavy duty wire. And so I'm just wrapping them together and securing them with wire. And then I went back and added a second wire to make sure it stays upright and in place. Okay, and once you have your greenery secured together, you're just going to take it and you're going to push your wires so that they're facing the ceiling, and you're going to thread it through your splatter screen and then give the wires a few twists on the front and just fold them down so that you can't see them. So here I am just threading the wires through to the front. And like I said, this is 20 gauge floral stem wire that I'm using. And then also I added a wire at the end to hang it on my door. Then you'll want to go back, fold down your wire, and also fold down your brown pipe cleaners. Just kind of fold them over. Fluff your deco mesh and your greenery. And then I added a bow to mine. I just love bows, but if you don't want to tie a bow, you don't have to. It's optional. Just do whatever makes you happy. And this is the extra wire that I was talking about. I just wanted to make sure everything, stays in place. Just make sure when you're adding your wire that you don't, mess up your deco mesh and tuck it under the wire. Make sure you leave your deco mesh out so it stays fluffy. And you can always go back and trim the extra wires off in the end. But just kind of play with the greenery and make sure all of your deco mesh is standing up and full and fluffy. And I just did a really simple bow. I didn't leave any tails, just back and forth, keeping it pinched tightly in my left hand, making sure the loops are about the same size on each side. And then you'll want your floral stem wire close by. And this ribbon was purchased at Dollar Tree. Just keep it pinched tightly and wrap the wire around it and give it a few twists. And if you have any questions about tying bows, let me know, but I have several bow tutorials on my channel too. And then you're ready to just fluff your loops. And don't cut your wire off because you're going to use your wire to attach it to your pineapple wreath. So just take it and thread it through the splatter screen. Make sure you don't pin down any of your deco mesh. And then you'll want to go to the back and give it a few twists. Okay, and fluff your bow. Okay, I'm going to show you how it looks without the felt behind it hanging on the door first. So I want you to see if you can tell the difference. Okay, there's no felt right now. And like I said, I wish I would have spray painted my splatter screen yellow, but I didn't think of it in time. Okay, and there I added the felt to the back. And then now see if you can't tell the difference that the felt makes. So let me know what you think, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and I hope you have a great day.